Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can book Indian railway tickets as a foreigner. So before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, there are various third-party applications too where you can do it, but I'm going to show you how you can do it on the official government website, that is IRCTC. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. All right. So here we are. So on the home page, you get these pop-ups, or you can just take them off. If you go on right hand side, if you go to trains, so you have the second option, foreign tourist booking. You can click on this. So you are booking as, okay, fine. Okay. Now you can search. So let's say you want to travel from Howrah to Delhi, very popular area. Okay. Let's say you're going to travel when 31st. See in this drop down, it automatically populated foreign tourist. Search. Okay. Well, in this busy travel season, I hardly believe there'll be any available ticket. But let's search. Wow, there is. Oh my God, there are 763 3-tier. What about first class? Not available. Two? Oh yeah, I'll prefer two-way, no doubt. So for this Rajdhani Express, this of course I'm not gonna do it. You're booking from, do you want to continue to, or you're gonna do the same? I select, do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. So now we reached here. So you need to put your user name and password. Okay. Foreign account details and captcha too again. So this is what we are gonna do now. For the very first time, I assume you do not have account. So if you scroll down, there is an option of register. So you can click on register. Okay. So put a username. Okay. I'm just trying something. John Smith. Is it was not available? John Smith 2025. Okay. It is available. Full name. Okay. John Smith. Password. I'm going to put a password. Of course, there are standards. Now phone number. Please submit mobile number without ISD code. So here you need to select your country code, whatever it is. So let's say if you're Canadian, scroll down, Canada for Canada anyways +1. International ISD code other than have to pay registration fee after successful registration, that is on first login. Please note that the registration fee for international users is 100 plus GST. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to complete the registration and then I'm going to see you guys. Put your email here, mobile number, and then proceed. Okay, guys. So what happens is like first it verifies your email by sending a one-time password OTP, you can say 6-digit code that you have to put in to verify your email account. Then again, you can go back to login and you come here where you have to make the 100 rupees payment because it's an international account. But once this is done, you'll be good and you can book the ticket like I showed you on the page where you search. You just select, put the passenger details and payment information and it will be done. I don't want to pay 100 rupees for this, but you got an idea how to do this. So that is how it works, guys. I hope my steps were clear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.